सुरेश सर, यार ना आवाज नहीं जाती मेरी, क्या बात है? आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या सर मेरी?
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग
सर। मिहिका,
हाँ जी,
बेटे सर को बोलना जरा, मिहिका।
okay. Good morning, students. Let's start with the
मिहिका,
chapter enemy. Enemy, actually, this is a story of a war time
कौन करेगा
between
जी?
war
पहले
was
तो
going
तुम्हारी तो
on
बात
between
सुनता ही नहीं
America and
सुरेश
Japan.
जी।
अमेरिका और जापान के अंदर war हो रहा था, and
सुरेश
actually
सर,
this is the story of that. Sir, I think there is a disturbance from control room. Control room, sir. Okay. It war time, and there was Dr. Sadhao. Actually, he was very renowned and famous surgeon, बहुत ही famous surgeon था, and he found one POW, prisoner of war, near his home.
ये फोन
It
को आ
was
गया।
just in the seashore,
सुरेश जी,
समुद्र किनारे पर था उसका घर, and he found
सर
one day
आप
one
प्लीज आप क्लास
wounded
स्टार्ट कर दो, सब चीज
wounded
ओके है।
soldier,
जो
एक
गड़बड़ हुई है,
wounded
मैंने कहा
बहुत
ना,
ही
जो गड़बड़ हुई तो मैं मैसेज या तो मैसेज कर दूंगा या बच्चों को अलाउड कर दूंगा। अरे सर, मैं तो
अशोक
100
सर,
बार बोल रहा हूँ सुरेश सर, सुरेश सर, सुरेश, ये टेक्निकल इशू, सारी क्लास
अशोक
एक साथ शुरू
सर,
होती है, सारी
यस सर, यस सर।
तो
थोड़ा
कनेक्ट जरूरी,
डिस्टरबेंस
कनेक्ट
हो
नहीं
रहा है
होती।
वहां से।
ओके सर, ओके ओके।
हाँ, थोड़ा सा जस्ट बेशक मेरे, आप वहाँ का माइक ऑफ कर दो,
प्लीज,
कोई
ये
बात
बात करने का टाइम नहीं है, सारी क्लास चला रखी है। प्लीज करो स्टार्ट। हाँ जी सुरेश,
नहीं।
क्या
यस,
नाम है? इंद्रपाल सर।
हाँ जी सर, हेलो,
ओके सर,
अशोक
ओके
सर,
सर, यस यस।
माइक
यस
माइक
सर।
ऑफ कर दो सर आप अपना।
ओके सर, ओके जी।
हाँ जी सर।
ओके, यस,
हाँ
ओके।
कर दी
गुड
सर,
मॉर्निंग
इंद्रपाल
स्टूडेंट्स,
सर।
लेट्स स्टार्ट विद
ये
द चैप्टर।
चल
हम अपना चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं। सडाओ एजुकेशन, सबसे पहले we will go in brief। मैं ज्यादा इसलिए बता रहा हूँ because this time you will have multiple choice question, or in detail if you know each and everything, then you will be able to answer these questions, okay? Otherwise you will be confused, so you also try to read in detail. Story must be read, okay? Maybe online there are many writer or many people are there who are explaining this chapter. Different people are there, and I think I'm also trying to clear your concept. Okay. Dr. Sadao education is father. Dr. Sadao Hoki, actually named Hoki, Hoki. House was built on the Japanese coast. उसका घर जापानी coast पे था. And his father never joked him. उसका father, he was very serious about the study. Never joked him, never played with him. उसके साथ कभी नहीं खेला था. And he was very concerned about the Japanese, Japan के बारे में. He was pure Japanese, pure patriot to the core of his heart. अपने दिल से बिल्कुल देशभक्त था. And believe in his Japanese tradition. उन्हीं tradition में विश्वास करता था. Sadao knew that his education was the main father's chief concern. Concern means worry. उसके father की मुख्य चिंता सिर्फ उसकी education. And for the reason he had sent him to America at the age of 22. Sometimes there may be a question at what age he was sent to America. 22. And when did he return? After 8 years. It means what was the age? 30 years. उस time 30 years हो गई थी. After 8 years he came, and he became very renowned surgeon and scientist. And that his father's dream was fulfilled. उसके जो फादर के ड्रीम थे वो बिल्कुल फुलफिल हो गए थे, भर गए थे, मतलब उसके कंप्लीट हो गए थे बिफोर हिज डेथ, उसके डेथ से पहले. Became a famous surgeon and scientist. And now Sadhao married Hannah. Hannah से कैसे married हुई थी उसकी? Actually, in America, actually they don't give shelter to these Japanese. Japanese को नहीं देते थे because war was going on and all. But there was one professor was I think his views were about the just in the narrow-mindedness of this one countryside boundaries and all whatever we consider के ये हमारा देश है. And he was a true human being. He gave shelter to these Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao को उन्होंने shelter दे दिया. वहां पर एक हैना थी, that she was also a student, वो भी student. And he did not fall in love with until he was sure that she was pure Japanese. जब तक उसको ये नहीं पता लगा that Hannah is a pure Japanese, he did not fall in love. Reason क्या हो सकता था? Because first of all, his father would not have accepted her as a daughter-in-law. उसको daughter-in-law वो accept नहीं करता until unless she is pure Japanese. Because he did not believe in it. He believed only in pure Japanese. That's all. जो Japanese community थी उसमें विश्वास करता. and his father would never have accepted her unless she had been pure in her race. Pure in her race means pure Japanese. Sadao met her at the American professor house, उसके house पे मिली थी, and they came to Japan and marriage has been arranged in the old Japan. और उनकी marriage sometime where did they where did they marry? कहाँ पर marriage की थी? They married in Japan according to the old tradition of Japan. जापान के ट्रेडिशंस, यस, ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन ऑफ जापान, जापान के ट्रेडिशन के हिसाब से मतलब उनकी मैरिज अरेंज की गई थी. एंड दे वर परफेक्टली हैप्पी एंड हैड 2 चिल्ड्रन. उनके हाउ मेनी सिबलिंग्स और चिल्ड्रन दे आर डॉक्टर सडाओ हैड, मतलब इट कैन बी, क्वेश्चन कैन बी, ओके. दे हैड 2 चिल्ड्रन, 2 बच्चे थे उनके. नाउ one day they were standing on just outside their house because it was the seashore, sea का coast था, and they were standing there, वहां पर खड़े हुए थे. They saw something in the mist. Mist मतलब धुंध सी होती है, this is on the bank of sea and all. If you go to the coast, seashore and all this sort of thing, because of the moisture formation, the visibility become poor. थोड़ी सी moisture formation होती है ज्यादा वहां पर, and that's why visibility is poor. And they saw some figure, it was moving. उन्होंने देखा एक figure move कर रही थी, because everything was over. वहां पर सब कुछ खत्म हो गया था, मतलब it was unusual. And doctor and I found something coming out of the mist. धुंध में से कुछ आते देखा. A man seemed to be on hand and knees crawling. हाथ पर और knees पर, घुटनों पर crawling कर रहा था. It means he was unable to stand up. खड़ा नहीं हो पा रहा था. And then they saw the fall on his face lie there. और तब उन्होंने उसको गिरते हुए भी वहां पर देखा अपने चेहरे के बल, मतलब उल्टा ही पड़ गया on the face. And he was unconscious. वो unconscious था. He was wounded and lay motionless without any movement. He was lying there, वहां पर पड़ा हुआ. And on the right side of the lower back, the Sadao saw that the gun wounded had reopened. When Sadao went there, he checked what the problem. Actually, he found that there was he was bleeding very deeply, काफी मतलब profoundly he was bleeding, and one gun wound has reopened because he was thrown by the sea. Sea ने उसको बाहर फेंका था, and the waves might have struck him against the rocks and all. चट्टानों में वो टकराया होगा, and his wound might have reopened. दोबारा उसका घाव खुल गया था, and he was bleeding. He packed the wound with the sea moss. वहाँ पर तो he was not having anything. Sea moss जो काई टाइप होती है, he packed the wound, उसको भर दिया था. And then in the they read the faint letter. उसने faint letter वहाँ पर दिखाई दिया, एक letter writing on the cap, उसके cap के ऊपर देखा. It was US Navy. It means he was from the US Navy, sailor, rather you can say navig. Okay, now because he was a doctor, and now what problem? Now they were in confused whether they were totally in dilemma. They were in fixed position. They were unable to decide what to do with this man. If you are leaving, they are a doctor, they can't leave. They are not only a doctor, true doctor, rather you can say. They can't leave a man die if they can help. Secondly, because he was from the US Army or US Navy, it means he was from the enemy country, or it means he was enemy. वो enemy था. Both now they were unable to decide. Now, if they sheltered the white man in their house, white means here American, and they would be arrested because it is very serious crime, sheltering the enemy soldier rather. But if they turned him over to the prisoner, he would certainly die. अगर वो उसको as a prisoner of war, POW, if they handed him over to the security, अगर security को hand over कर देते, it means he would die certainly. And as a doctor, his conscience doesn't allow, ऐसा नहीं करता. The couple was in fix, and all Americans were their enemies. All Americans, they were their enemies, means according to their views. And if he were healthy, अगर वो healthy होता, means without any problem and all, certainly they could have turned him over to the police. उसको दे देते. But he was wounded, unconscious, and he would have died unless he was operated on. Means immediately operation was needed, otherwise he would have, because of the profound bleeding, because of the heavy bleeding, ज़्यादा bleeding हो चुकी थी. And at any rate, something was to be done with. इसका मतलब उन्हें कुछ न कुछ तो करना ही था. And the 2 servants were frightened at when their master had just told them. And they brought him in, and they wanted to wash him. उसको धोना चाहते थे. And उसके father का room था, it was never opened. They just put him there. उसको वहाँ पर डाल दिया, and they tried to wash him. They asked the servants to do help. All the servants they refused. And first of all, and they were frightened also. वो servant तो डर ही गए थे. because they did not want to put them in trouble. अपने आप को वो trouble में नहीं डालना चाहते थे, because it is a very serious offense. Certainly it is very serious offense if they were caught. अगर वो पकड़े जाते हैं तो बहुत ही serious offense था, because the war was going on and it is means it is almost anti-national activities. The two servants at their master had just told, and they thought that their master should not heal the wounded that white man. वो चाहते थे उसको वो कोई भी treatment ना दे. Even Yumi refused to wash a white man. Yumi जो उसकी caretaker की maid थी, and returned to her work. And Hannah herself washed Tom's breast face with steaming water. गर्म पानी से उसका face and all wash दोबारा उसने धो दिया. Now Tom operated on. Tom का operation कर दिया. Now in this operation he also needed help of Hannah for the anesthesia. Anesthesia के लिए उसकी help की जरूरत थी. Anesthesia means a way of making someone senseless to avoid the pain of operation. Operation की pain करने के लिए. And Sadao asked Hannah to help in turn the man. She obeyed. And she was asked to give the anesthetic if needed. The bullet was still there. उसमें अभी भी bullet थी. He checked. And he had lost much blood. मतलब काफी blood उसका loss हो चुका था. Hannah could not bear the sight and ran out of the room. Means she was not feeling uncomfortable. She went out and vomited there. वहाँ पर vomiting शुरू हो गई थी उसको. And even Dr. Sadao, he was happy at least her stomach will be empty. उसका पेट खाली हो जाना चाहिए. Because normally everybody can't bear the scene of this operation theater, OT का जो भी है हर कोई नहीं रह सकता. It's very great problem. And then, but she came with a bottle and some cotton in hand. लेकिन वो दोबारा आ गई after, because after all she was also a doctor. And then a very clean and precise incision, the bullet was taken out. And because he was very expert surgeon, Sadao, he took out the bullet. It was very serious actually. It was near the kidney. ये ध्यान रखना. Sometimes there may be question where the bullet was near. Where was the bullet actually? It was near the kidney. It had not touched the kidney. Otherwise, he could have died. वो मर जाता अगर वो उसको touch कर जाता. And he was still unconscious. He removed the bullet, and he only muttered a few words in English. Dr. Sadao declared that the man lived in spite of all. Means in spite of everything. First he was hit by a bullet. Then she also tried to kill him. And now during operation also anything could happen. और कुछ भी हो सकता था. But in spite of all these things, he survived. Actually, he was very young. The young man woke up, and after 2-3 days, when he came to sense, जब वो sense में आया, he woke up, and very weak, blue eyes were terrified. उसकी जो आंखें थी, blue eyes, normally American, they have, and it terrified. When he saw where he was, जब उसने देखा, but Hannah consoled him not to be afraid. Hannah ने कहा, don't worry, don't be afraid, we are doctor. And he comforted him that he would soon be strong. और उन्होंने कह दिया that you will be all right very soon. Tom asked what they were going to do with him. अब Tom ने पूछा, what are you going to do with him? You have saved me. मेरे बचा तो दिया है, but what you are going to do? Look very barely 17. वो केवल 17 वर्ष का ही था. And for a moment, Sadao did not answer. Sadao ने उसका कोई जवाब नहीं. Okay, a prisoner of war should have been handed over to the police. क्योंकि prisoner of war होता है, वो हमेशा पुलिस को hand over करते हैं, security forces. Now the servant grew restless. Now after this scene, actually they want the servant. Actually all the servants they left the job, and now they were in fear. Especially Hannah, because if they disclose this matter outside, then they will be in great trouble. उनको काफी परेशानी होगी. And if they are sent to jail, what would happen to their children? उनके बच्चों का क्या होगा? There were so many thoughts that revolting in the mind of Hannah. And he should practice it every day till he gains strength. Now Sadao, he told him, just you get up for 5 minutes and just stand there, walk 5 minutes and then sit down. Means slowly do practice, you will gain the strength. The man thanked the doctor for having saved his life. उसने उसका धन्यवाद किया. Doctor cautioned him not to thank him so early. Doctor ने कहा, don't thank me so early. मुझे इतना जल्दी धन्यवाद देने की जरूरत नहीं है. It means again it is a controversial statement. This statement was not as a doctor, maybe as a Japanese. And the last stitches had been pulled out. The young man would be all right within a fortnight. Fortnight again, 14 days में he would be all right. And on the 7th day, the servant left together, and Hannah was terrified, but maintained her pride as a mistress. लेकिन एक घर की मालिकिन की तरह she maintained the pride. अपने घर अपना थोड़ा आत्मसम्मान बनाए रखा. Because she was ready to do her work. अपना काम करने के तैयार थी. Even Sadao also helped her. उसको काफी help. Okay. So now, because now the condition why in actually in Japan everybody is a soldier. हर कोई soldier होता है वहाँ पर. And why the Dr. Sadao was not sent to the battlefield? क्यों नहीं भेजा गया था? This was the reason now. There was one old general. Actually, he was very reputed general. He had won many battles for the Japan. Japan के लिए बहुत सी battle उन्होंने जीती थी. And he was in a pain. And any time he needed medical attention or surgical operation, उसको surgical operation कभी भी जरूरत पड़ सकती थी. So that's why he was not sent to battlefield. There will be a question, maybe a question, okay, like this: why Dr. Sadao was not sent to the battlefield? Okay, because there also, as a doctor, his service was very much required. उसकी service की काफी जरूरत थी. And if the American could be quietly killed, but now he's told this one because he thought that the general at least is in my farm, because his life totally depended on me, and certainly he would not go against my wish, मेरी wish में, and even general would not want that Sadao should be arrested. Then what will happen? तब क्या होगा उसको? Means there were many reasons. Now he told, okay, don't worry, I'll send the assassins. Assassin means killer, उसके private assassin के डाल, private killers मैं आपको भेज दूंगा. And then he waited for general, because he did not want to disclose even this one to the Hannah, because now he wanted to get rid of this man, because Hannah was having a trouble. Hannah को problem हो रही थी, because after all, after operation and everything is over, now he should go there, he should quit that place, because if they are traced, if he was traced there, if they were caught, then certainly they will land in trouble. उनको काफी trouble होगा. That's why they wanted both. They wanted that they should get rid of this man. इसको कैसे कैसे छुपा. Then Dr. Sadao, he talked to general, old general से उसने बात की, भाई this is the case. And he told, don't worry, I'll do the work. I'll send my killers and they will remove the body also. 2-3 days he waited. And what did they plan? They planned that he was in the guest room. Guest room, one door is open to the garden. एक उसका door garden की तरफ open है. And then he told, okay, you keep the door open. उस door को खुला रख. Because it was very summer also, and I think it becomes it will look natural. वो natural लगेगा भाई, for the fresh air and all. But in his mind, what was the plan going on? It means he wants that the killers, they should come quietly without any damaging anything. They should remove his body also. उसकी body भी निकाल दें. He waited 2 days, 3 days, and nothing happened. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Now Sadao saved Tom, but wonder why. Now even he was wondering why I saved him. मैंने इसको क्यों save किया? Because as a doctor he performed his duty beautifully. And now as a Japanese, what he was doing, अब उसने क्या करना था as a Japanese. Now finally he told Sadao saved and wondered, and he did not tell anything to Hannah regarding this plan. Whatever the general has told, he did not tell. And the next morning he went to the guest room. He thought putting his coat. Now he decided, okay, 2-3 days he waited and nothing happened. Now he decided, anyhow I have to get rid of this man. मुझे इससे मतलब छुटकारा पाना. Then what plan did he do? He told, okay, I'll give you one boat. मैं आपको एक boat दे दूंगा, and you have to just go very nearby island. एक नजदीक का एक island है, वहाँ पर आप ये boat चलाकर चले जाना. And he gave extra food, water, and everything. And he also gave one torch, medical torch, and told that when the sun is setting, जब sun set हो रहा है, don't take everything raw and don't use fire there. Otherwise you will be traced, because that island is totally isolated. वो बिल्कुल सुनसान है, वहाँ पर कोई नहीं रहता है, कोई रहता नहीं है. तो उसने कहा, if you need anything, if you are there, if you need anything, give me 2 flash. उस टाइम मुझे 2 flash दे देना. And if you are there, give me 1 flash. And if you don't need anything, अगर आपको कुछ जरूरत नहीं है और आप गए नहीं है, क्योंकि from there he could catch the Korean boat. वहाँ पर कोरिया जाने वाली बोट पकड़ लेगा, and then he would get them. Now if his food ran out of salt, he caught a Korean boat, and he could signal him 2 flashes, so 2 flashes. And the young man American shook Sadao's hand warmly. When at the time of departure, he shook hand warmly, बहुत गर्मजोशी के साथ. And even he told if all Japanese are like you, then I think war would have not been there. अगर सारे जापानी आप जैसे होते तो शायद लड़ाई नहीं होती. And the young man shook hand warmly and walked down into the darkness of the garden. Thus Rao informed the general that the young man had escaped. Up now, because he was planning to kill him and all this. Now he told, okay, he had escaped. वो चला गया. Now the general had promised Rao to get him killed. लेकिन general को, and there was a reason he also forgot because he had a pain and he forgot everything. उसका pain हो गया था and he was under medical observation and he forgot everything in his pain. अपने pain में वो बिल्कुल मतलब अपना promise भूल गया था. And the general had promised Rao to get him killed, but due to his own illness, उसकी अपनी illness के कारण, he forgot to respect his promise. जो promise उसने किया था, he could not fulfill. वो उसको पूरा नहीं कर सका. Rao got his reward. Rao को अपनाए. He did not receive any signal. उसको कोई signal नहीं था. It means he had gone the signal. वो जा चुका था. And no one was there on the island. The prisoner had gone safe. वो बिल्कुल safe चला गया था. बिल्कुल safe चला गया था. And now let's see. Participants 26. Very okay. He had gone safe. No one was there on island. The prisoner has gone. So now remember that he had a lot of difficulty in finding a place to live in America. 5 years sheltered this man. Now he remembered. अब उसको याद आया. When he was there in America as a student of the medical students के लिए he went for the medical surgical study and all. And at that time he was not getting shelter to live. वहाँ पर रहने के लिए shelter नहीं मिलती. And what was his feeling? The same thing he realized and he tried to give shelter to a soldier. And the American were full of prejudice. वो काफी मतलब just घृणा उसको ज्यादा वो करते थे मतलब पक्षपात biasing का rather. White people were repulsive hater, and it was a relief to be the only at war with them at last, and it was a relief to be the openly at the war with them. मतलब lastly उनके साथ war होने चाहिए open war. And then he remembered the haggard face of the prisoner, haggard because of the hunger and all the face which is going inside. White man repulsive, strange he thought. मतलब कितना repulsive. Repulsive means hatred. We don't like to see them. उनको देख. I wonder why I could not. But still, it means he has got few human values, few human quality, goodness. It is always there in human. Okay, this is the chapter. Okay, let's see first. Students, if anyone wants to ask anything, you can raise your hand. आप अपना hand raise कर लो. If anyone has got anything to say, any confusion, any clarification, if you want, you raise your hand. Yes, raise your hand if you want to say anything, students. Come on, it is 10 minutes for you only. Let's this chapter is over. Anything you want to ask regarding question.